Hi, I'm here on the right of the 15th hole, and I'm just going to give you a little idea of what's going on with regarding the new 16th tees. Me, Jim and Steve are doing a bit of overtime, and we're just working through, and I thought I'd just explain what was going on. Here you've got some absolutely wonderful heathland, and it grows naturally on this site, and it's just fantastic, looks stunning all year round. So what we're going to do with building the 16th tees is that we're hoping that maybe if we strip the topsoil off like it was done here in the past on the new area, then we'll hopefully have heather growing all on this field as best as we can. So what we're doing here is stripping all the topsoil off, allowing the natural acidic soil to kind of just grow new heather in this area, and hopefully it will come back looking as fantastic as it does over here. But also the double benefit of that is that we'll end up having some soil to build the 16th tees, and this is exactly what we're doing. So as you can see here now, Jim is loading the two dumpers. There's one 6-tonner and one 9-tonner. Jim's loaded them now, and what we're going to do, we're going to have a quick trip down to the 16th tees and see what's going on there. So I think Jim's just doing this. Here's me getting on the dumper. You can see the heathland from here, it looks just stunning. Okay, here we go, I'll sit here. Jim's going to load it up. I'm going to strap myself in. Couple more loads and we're ready to go. Wave, Jimbo! Right, and we're off. Get it in the right gear, handbrake off, and we're away. Bit of reversing. This is trickier than it looks driving this with one hand. You can see it's a pretty miserable day. And let's see where Steve is at the other end. So we're taking the soil out here. As you can see, we've done quite a lot already. Just a quick turn around and back out. The great thing is it's really sandy, so that then driving in these wet conditions on these dumpers isn't actually too bad. There we go. And obviously we're going to cross the footpath, check both ways, the green cross code, and we're away. And then just right down the old track, which hopefully is going to have to be redone at some point, and we can work our way down the track along the side of 15, as you can see here on the left hand side. Now the 16th tees are looking fantastic, and what we're doing, we're building it up to get a better view of the bunkers and of the fairway. It used to be a bit of a blind tee shot before, so hopefully it's going to work a hell of a lot better. The opposite's coming out on Monday, so what we really want to try and do is get some of the soil in place so that he's got something better to look at when he gets here on Monday. And here you can see it's starting to come into view, and see Steve who's working trying to get the levels. You've got the black tee here where the root zone's stripped off, and the start of the new tee, and these are all going to join together. It's a little bit steeper now, so I'm just going to change gear so I can get up the slope, and Steve is going to point his bucket where he wants me to put it, and we're going to have a go at sticking it in the right place. So like, this is the tee as we stand here now. You can sort of see the view. Up we go, like being on a roller coaster. Up we go, and here's Steve. Wave, Steve. And here we go, and Steve's putting his bucket where I need to see it, but I'm not worried about that at the moment, because we just want to have a look at the new hole, and how fantastic does that look from up here. Fabulous new. You can see both the bunkers, left and right. The one on the right's not finished yet, and this tee's going to look absolutely stunning. Brand new hole for all the members. Hope you enjoyed the trip. Thanks a lot.